Sorry, before I go, I just realized that I didn't elaborate on Vuma ukufa, but in conversations that I've had with people, my mentors, my people who I'm gobeling to, basically. And I can't remember which year, but my mom dreamed I was shot with a gun. Yeah, with a boy, the arrow. Oh, yeah. Or if you dream of dying, or usually it would be a self things or things that have to do with you, right? But there's people who dream for people, and but yeah. So my mom dreamt of me being shot. My gobs, yeah, she dreamt being chased by this deity. So if you're dreaming of death, it's not literally death or wedding. I get it growing up, we thought if you dream of you dying or something, it's a wedding, but not necessarily. Also, we need to be very careful with your dreams. Not everything is generic. All right, you need to find the setting of everything, basically. So if you have such dreams, just realize it's flesh self dying. Now we're going into the spiritual season for the spiritual people, but this is not gospel. This is from my understanding, from my current vibrations, from my knowledge that I'm exposed to right now, right, which is also an infinite pula. Well, knowledge is infinite, really. How full stop abari. Oh, I've learned, finish. It's not like how Western education works, where undergrad, what ugufunda. Tuto high faili, basically. So don't panic. This is the season thing. Don't think about lawyer either. And listening to dreams that people have now. Because my friends, I don't know, they think I'm amazing in that way. But some dreams I can interpret, some I can't, some I refer. Don't be scared to also say angazi. Don't give people misinformation. But don't panic if it's you dying and whatnot. It's basically Vuma ukufa, and this would be a period where preparing I could say. I don't know, those who have gone of working what's the saying? Those who have I forgot it, but the Palazzo gang, those who have, maybe they can share what happened in this period, and those who are self-initiating, what happens in this period for you. All right, African peace.